Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. My name is Marvin. In this video I'm going to explain how you can prepare for a stock market crash, and I'm going to give you 5 ideas on how you can actually make some money, preserve your money in the stock market during a stock market crash. Now let's begin with the video. And the number 1 idea is to make sure that you are diversified in your account. A person that is diversified has different investment into different companies. Usually they tend to lose anywhere between 40% to 30%. That is anywhere between 10 to 20% margin. And to be diversified, you need to make sure that you have some companies that have low volatility and other companies that have high volatility. So when the stock market recovers, you can get some of that money that you lost. And the second option is if you're a long-time investor, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just stay in your account and continue investing. And the main reason is once you start investing in the stock market, those losses that you had in that specific time during a stock market crash is not going to show up on your account. And what I mean is you're gonna see a small dip on your account. However, when you compare from the time that you began investing to all the way to you retire, you won't see a huge difference. So basically the stock market usually affects those people that are investing in the short term. Now the third idea is basically you need to set up stop losses on your account. And I cover stop losses in another video, but I'm gonna briefly explain. Basically, anytime that you have shares on a specific company, you can actually set an action to sell a specific amount of shares for a company. For example, let's say that by tomorrow the Facebook share price goes down to around $100. If you set up a stop limit in 110, then it's gonna start selling those shares at $110 instead of going all the way to $100 price. And the main reason why you want to set up stop limits, if you end up selling shares, for example, at a higher price when the stock market is going down, then you can buy those shares at a lower price. And even if you set up the stop limits at the price that you pay for those shares, that is still good in my opinion. And the fourth option would be to raise cash in your account. And I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say that you have two companies, one that you have a return that has 100% and the other company only has 20%. Then the best idea would be to sell the company with the 20%, because most likely when a stock market crashes, you're gonna end up going into the negative for that company. And the reason why you may want to raise cash is so you can reallocate that money into a different company or in one of the companies that is performing well in the stock market. Usually a company with a great cash flow tends to do really well in a stock market crash. And the number 5 idea is they can actually short the stock market. If you're completely new about this, I would start doing some research before shorting the stock market. And even when you get enough knowledge, I would still advise you to start with a small position. And the good news about nowadays is that you can actually buy ETFs that are specifically for shorting the stock market. For example, there is the ProShares Short QQQ and the stock symbol is PSQ. And basically what that ETF does, it shorts the stock market in the Nasdaq index. And that is one way to make money during a stock market crash. However, keep in mind that shorting the stock can be very dangerous. You could actually lose a lot of money if you don't know how to short stocks. And well, that is gonna be everything for the video. Those are the 5 ideas that you can use when there's a stock market crash. And you can leave in the comment sections what was your favorite idea mentioned in this video, or if you have any idea that is not mentioned in this video, you can leave it in the comment sections. And you can subscribe to the Financial Information channel. I'm gonna continue bringing videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. I wanna thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friend.